And cutting across live to these latest visuals coming in on our screen right now, coming in from West Bengal, Nandigram, where Suvendu Adhikari is holding his roadshow. Over to my colleague Anupamana.
बिल्कुल देखिए, यहाँ पर शुभेंदु अधिकारी जो है पहुंच चुके हैं। शुभेंदु अधिकारी की तरफ से पदयात्रा की जा रही है। सबसे बड़ी बात है वो मीडिया से जो है फिलहाल बातचीत नहीं करना चाह रहे हैं, लेकिन ममता बनर्जी ने जिस तरीके से कल वार किया है जय श्री राम के नारे पर, कोशिश हमारी लगातार जारी है कि एक बार जो है वो मीडिया से बातचीत जरूर करें। कोशिश करते हैं शुभेंदु अधिकारी से एक बार बातचीत करने की, लेकिन सबसे बड़ी बात है कि पदयात्रा जो शुभेंदु अधिकारी की तरफ से की जा रही है उसमें फिलहाल बहुत ज्यादा संख्या में जो है लोग मौजूद है। अरे भाई आराम से,
को साधने की कोशिश कर रही है।
तो देखिए लगातार हम तस्वीर अपने दर्शकों को दिखा रहे हैं जहाँ पर शुभेंदु अधिकारी जो है वो पहुंच चुके हैं और साथ ही उनके साथ हजारों की तादाद में भीड़ जो है वो फिलहाल मौजूद है। कोशिश लगातार मीडिया कर्मियों की जारी है कि एक बार शुभेंदु अधिकारी से जो है
All right, these are the live visuals on a screen right now coming in from Suvendu Adhikari's rally in Nandigram. Remember, if we talk about the schedule for Suvendu Adhikari today, he started with his road show this morning in Nandigram, and this is the road show that will continue till the Janakinath temple, and later he will also be inaugurating the new electoral office. And this is certainly a clear battle between Mamta Banerjee and Suvendu Adhikari, which is only getting bigger, with both Mamta Banerjee and Suvendu Adhikari who are currently present in Nandigram. That is their respective constituencies or for their battle ahead of the assembly elections as well. Trying to go back to my colleague Anupama as well. Anupama, over to you.
सलील जी कहाँ हैं?
दूर है, नहीं जा रहे।
शुभेंदु जी, जय श्री राम।
कैमरा कोऑर्डिनेट कर लो, कर लेगा बात। रिलीज कर।
All right, so the battle between Suvendu Adhikari and Mamta Banerjee is only getting bigger, with Suvendu Adhikari holding his own rally in Nandigram. My colleague Anupama is constantly trying to have a word with Suvendu Adhikari, who's holding that Padyatra, and as you can see on the visuals on the screen right now as well, it's Mamta versus Suvendu coming face to face in Nandigram today. Mamta Banerjee will also be filing her nomination in Haldia at around 3:30 p.m. Suvendu will be filing his nomination after 2 days. But the battle for Nandigram is only getting bigger. Remember, yesterday was when Mamta Banerjee had landed in Nandigram. The political environment in West Bengal is heating fast as the state assembly election is approaching. Specifically talking about the seat of Nandigram, where we are witnessing in the latest development that the ruling party leader and Chief Minister Mamta Banerjee has announced that she will be filing her nomination for the Nandigram Assembly constituency seat today itself. And the TMC leader did reach Nandigram yesterday. She held a rally. She spoke to the people out there and also stated that she will be filing that nomination from Haldia. But right now we are getting these visuals of Suvendu Adhikari, who's also holding a rally in Nandigram at this point. The fight for Nandigram only getting bigger, with both Mamta Banerjee and Suvendu Adhikari who are currently present there at the moment in Nandigram, and we are witnessing his Padyatra, his roadshow, and we are expecting that later today he will also be inaugurating an election office, and he is holding a roadshow ahead of Mamta's nomination in Nandigram.
উঠে আসছে সেখান থেকে পরিষ্কার প্রায় 20 থেকে 30 হাজার মানুষ একসঙ্গে মিছিলে হাঁটছেন। এই মুহূর্তে সুরেন্দ্র অধিকারী যাচ্ছেন, একটু কথা বলার চেষ্টা করবো। দেখার চেষ্টা করবো শুভেন্দু দার সঙ্গে দেখি একটু দেখি
All right, so as my colleague Anupama is trying to have a word with Suvendu Adhikari, who is holding this rally in Nandigram. It's a roadshow right ahead of Mamta Banerjee filing her nomination from Haldia today. Remember, both Mamta Banerjee and Suvendu Adhikari are currently in Nandigram ahead of the elections. They will be filing their respective nominations as well soon. But today as well, we are expecting as to how at Nandigram is where we are expecting Suvendu Adhikari, who is holding a rally, a road show. And right after that, this afternoon, we are expecting Mamta Banerjee as well to file her nomination papers from Haldia at around 3:30 p.m. this afternoon. Certainly, the battle between Mamta Banerjee and Suvendu Adhikari is only getting bigger, with both of them coming face to face in Nandigram today. Mamta Banerjee will file her nomination in Haldia at around 3:30 p.m. this afternoon. Meanwhile, Suvendu Adhikari will be filing his form after 2 days. All right, trying to go back to my colleague Anupama, who is at that particular rally where Suvendu Adhikari is holding that roadshow. Anupama, over to you.
उन्होंने कहा बीजेपी हिंदू वोट
नाम पर होता है, हाँ, विकास की नाम पर, हाँ, रोजगार की नाम पर, इंडस्ट्री की नाम पर, आंसू नहीं, धर्म पर नाम पर वो धर्म कर रहा है, हाँ ना, वो भी कर रहा है, वाम मोर्चा कर रहा है। वाम मोर्चा का कैंपेनर अब्बास सिद्दीकी और उसकी कैंपेनर तोहा सिद्दीकी,